In this video, we are going to multiply and divide integers. These problems will be like those from 5.2, numbers 27, 29, 31, 33, 35, 37, 39, and 41. So when we multiply like signs, we're going to get a positive number. When we multiply unlike signs, we're going to get a negative number. Those are our big rules here. So let me do a little chart here. Positive times a positive. Call this A, call this B, call this A times B over here. Be positive. Positive times a negative is going to be a negative. A negative times a positive is a negative. And a negative times a negative is a positive. Same thing goes for division. When I have A divided by B, positive divided by a positive will be a positive divided by a negative will be a negative, negative divided by a positive will be a negative, and a negative divided by a negative will be a positive. Same rules apply for multiplication and division because division is a special kind of multiplication. So like signs, positive, unlike signs, negative. Start off with -1 times 9. And that's going to be a -9. Now we have a -6 times a -6. Negative times a negative will be a positive. 6 times 6 is 36. -8 times -4 times a +7 is going to be 32 times 7, 14, 21 plus 1 is 22, so 224. Now we want 3 times 4 times a -2. The parentheses tell me to do what's inside first. 3 times 4 is 12. 12 times a -2. Unlike signs is going to be negative. 2 times 12 is 24. Moving on here, we have -63 divided by a -9. A negative divided by a negative will be positive. 63 divided by 9 is 7. We need to watch out that we don't ever divide by 0 when we have division. If so, we get what's called an undefined expression. So one of your options for these problems is that the expression is undefined. Undefined means that we tried to divide by 0. Right here we have unlike signs, which gives us something negative. 13 divided by 13 is 1. -54 divided by a -6. A positive divided by a negative is a negative. 54 divided by 6 is 9. And then -224 divided by 16. So that is, let's see how many times 16 goes into 224. You know that the answer is negative. 16 goes into 22 one time with a remainder of 6. Bring down the 4. 64 divided by 16 is 4. 24. Yep. So the answer here is a -14. Okay, that's it for our multiplication and division of integers. And we'll come back next time and we will talk about how to simplify expressions involving exponents on the integers. So what do we do when we raise an integer to a power. Come back and talk about that in our next video. See you next time.